Hello, I'm Mark Floyd with ILoca Services, part of the sales team here. I'm going to be showing you the Kalyn Siebert 40-ton sliding axle trailer today. Starting at the front of this trailer, we have a 20,000-pound winch on the front. It can be operated by your PTO on your tractor, or we do have a pony motor on this trailer right here, 20-horse Honda pony motor. Heading back up front, we do have some storage capacity right here on both sides of the trailer. Open it up for a little bit of storage. We do have a control valve here that you can either use it via the PTO or you can use it as the pony motor to power or self-contain the trailer. This trailer is equipped with a work light, which is all run by here. Get the control panel right here. The deck on the front is 11 feet 6 inches. The back is going to be 41 feet 5 inches. It does have sliding axle trailer, so the axle does slide forward. With the deck being tilted up, it creates a 7-degree load angle for this trailer. Good for all kinds of salvage equipment, trailer cars, any type of equipment. It can be drive with the winch, also can be pull it back up on there. Have a roller on the front of the rear deck, so it allows it to handle the winch chain going across so you don't do any damage to your trailer as you're winching up equipment. As we move to the back of the trailer, it does have a 37-inch loaded deck height here. Does have a mid-turn light. We do have outside aluminum wheels with a tire inflation system installed. This trailer comes equipped with the dock leveling system pre-installed. Now, it does not have the cylinders on this particular trailer, but we do have everything plumbed for it and everything else. So it'll just be a matter of adding that option if you want that option. So as we go to the back of the trailer, we do have strobe lights on the back of the trailer. With the tire inflation system, all the lighting is here. So if your driver watches for this, the ABS and your marker light. The trailer is on the deck, does have Apitong wood up here for maximum protection. It does have keyholes on the outside rails and in the center for you to put your equipment and tie it down. Now, ILoca Services does have the 40-ton model that we have right here. We also have a 55-ton 3-axle trailer in stock. This is ILoca Services 55-ton version of the sliding axle trailer. It comes with a tri-axle suspension, and that does have a 30,000-pound winch on the front versus the 20 on the 40-ton. This trailer has an installed dock leveling system in here, a simultaneous dock leveling system. It takes you from the ride height of 37 inches up to dock height, so you can load directly off the dock. Please give us a call at ILoca Services, your partner for the long haul.